The XSLT processor copies the elements of the stylesheet until it finds a command in the format A. Select from, where, B. Item action, C. For each select, D. HTML. The correct answer is item action. What standard protocol or language was generalized to become a standard protocol for sending messages of any type using any protocol? A. SOAP, B. SGML, C. SQL, D. ADO. The correct answer is SOAP. Which of the following statements is not true about XML schemas? A. They are used to define the content and structure of data. B. They define a set of symbols and the relationships of those symbols. C. They are themselves XML documents. D. They have their own syntax. The correct answer is they have their own syntax. The most popular way to materialize XML documents is to use A. DTD, B. XSLT, C. HTML, D. SOAP. The correct answer is XSLT. With XML, A. Views are not limited to one multi-valued path only. B. Documents can automatically be generated from database data only. C. Database data can automatically be extracted from XML documents only. D. With XML all of the above are true. The correct answer is with XML all of the above are true. To eliminate definition duplication, XML schemas define A. An intersection table, B. Global elements, C. A normalized definition table, D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is global elements. What is not true about SOAP? A. SOAP originally meant Simple Object Access Protocol. B. SOAP was defined as an XML-based standard for providing remote procedure calls over the Internet. C. SOAP now is just a name, not an acronym. D. SOAP was an early form of XML. The correct answer is SOAP was an early form of XML. XML schemas consist of A. Properties and methods, B. Elements and attributes, C. Structure and data, D. Tables and relationships. The correct answer is elements and attributes. The expression for XML RAW tells SQL Server to A. Place the values of the columns as attributes in the resulting XML document. B. Place the values of the columns into elements rather than attributes. C. Place some columns into elements and others into attributes. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is place the values of the columns as attributes in the resulting XML document. ADONet provides the ability to create and process in-memory databases called A. Views, B. Relations, C. Tables, D. Datasets. The correct answer is datasets. An XML component that defines the structure of a document is known as an A. Doc type, B. DTD, C. Peak data, D. HTML stylesheet. The correct answer is DTD. HTML is an application of a more robust document markup language called A. XHTML, B. XML, C. SGML. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is SGML. XSLT processors evaluate each statement in the context of the match that has been made. That is, XSLT processors are A. Context-oriented, B. Procedural-oriented, C. Object-oriented, D. Relational-oriented. The correct answer is context-oriented. The DTD begins with the word A. Peak data, B. XML, C. Doc type, D. HTTPS. The correct answer is doc type. What is not true about XML? A web page display is the most important application of XML. B. With XML there is a clear separation between document structure, content, and materialization. C. XML is more powerful than HTML. D. XML documents have two sections. The correct answer is web page display is the most important application of XML. What is not true about XSLT? A. XSLT is a declarative transformation language. B. XSLT uses a set of rules that govern how a document is to be materialized is created. C. XSLT uses a set of procedures that specify how a document is to be programmed. D. XSLT is used to transform the input document into another document. The correct answer is XSLT uses a set of procedures that specify how a document is to be programmed. If the XML data instance conforms to the DTD, the document is said to be A. Type invalid, B. Type valid, C. Not type valid, D. An HTML document. The correct answer is type valid. XML is A. A subset of SGML only, B. A hybrid of document processing and database processing only, C. A standardized yet customizable way to describe the content of documents only, D. XML is all of the above. The correct answer is XML is all of the above. The document that is used by XSLT to indicate how to transform the elements of the XML document to another format is an A. HTML page, B. doctype procedure, C. stylesheet, D. stored procedure. The correct answer is stylesheet. If an XML document does not have a DTD, then by definition it is A. Not type valid, B. Type valid, C. An HTML document, D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is not type valid.